What's going on, everybody? This one, we're installing the emitted dynamic lights on the back of my 2022 Indian Pursuit. It's the same ones that work on the Indian Challenger, so both of them work on there. I already had the bags out because I was doing some other stuff on the bike. I was installing the exhaust. You can click the link in the description below. Check that video out. So I had these off, and figured since I had everything off, might as well put these things on. So I had cleaned these off already and grabbed some, I rinsed them off, I grabbed some cleaner, wiped it down with the cloth so that way it's a nice clean surface. And we're gonna get ready to install these things. It's they have adhesive on it, adhesive tape. So you just basically gotta peel it off and then stick it on. It slides right under there. It fits nicely, as you can see. Move this over here so you guys get a better look. But yeah, it sits nicely right against the lid of the trunk. I'm pushing down on it a little just so that way you make sure there's a little bit of a gap so when I do close it. So that's how I'm planning on putting it on. So I'm gonna stop right, giving myself a little bit of room. Like I said, it just sits right there, but I want to press down on it and then you hear it, so that way it's nice and snug. There's gonna be a little bit of a gap, but I prefer that way when you push down on this. Start by removing this tape. And like I said, I cleaned it all off already. So it should be good to adhere to. I cleaned it off in a couple of stages, so I wiped it off first. Then I grabbed some plexus and wiped that off. So like I said, I'm going to press this down. Even pressure. Well, that's all there's to it. You know, it's stuck on there, and that's an even gap right there. Put a little bit more pressure on it. Make sure it sticks really well. Tight against this corner. Well, that's what it's going to look like. Alright, so now that the lens itself was put on, they come with these little supports that you can put on to help hold the wire in place, and it comes with zip ties as well. There's 6 altogether, so I'm going to put 3 on this. I'm going to just run them along here and then come down and tie on with the existing pigtail that needs to plug in, because I'm going to run them the same route. So pretty simple. You pull the adhesive back off. Put this one right here, so that way when I get this sprouted, this could start my turn down right here. And you know, just comes with the zip ties and everything, so just loop through like so. nice things about this is it comes with like this disconnect in the middle. So this wire can pretty much, it'll hang out pretty much even with this, and then this pigtail will go in and attach closer to the wire harness, so that way you don't have to take off the seat and do all that other stuff to disconnect. So if you want to take the bags off, this is a quick disconnect. You just pull it apart and it's easy to disconnect. Very well thought out. One of the reasons why I went with this over the Indians version of these is because these actually do both. The Indians are just running lights, where these are, you can use them as turn signals and running lights as well. So bonus. Now I will cut these off. Right now I'm just leaving them alone. Alright, so that's that. I need 3 more. And these, I'm eventually, I don't know if I'm going to wire tie it. Yeah, I just might right here. I'll zip tie this right here, and then I'll go with some over here. I might go with some electrical tape or something just to pull these two together so they're not flopping around separately. But yep, that's all there's to it. So let me get the other one done, then the next part we'll be back at the bike and we're putting all this routing the wire and putting all this together. Well, I got a little bit ahead of myself and started putting the bike back together. As you can see, that's what it's looking like right now. The bags are on. They're on loosely right now, so I can show you what it looks like. So I just got these so they still move, but as you can see, it goes, the cable is pretty snug right here, goes across all over here, down behind this cover, and like I said, the pigtail is perfect if it's right here. So if you ever need to take the saddlebag off, you need to take this cover off anyway. This is the plug for the bag, and then this right here, so you don't have to come up to remove the seats, take anything off. Very well thought out. So this is all good. I ran it up through here, up along this hydraulic hose, so that way it clears the spring and wrapped around here. This is for the other side, and same thing. No, the wire runs along there, comes through here, runs through here. There's actually, you might be able to see a little bit like a little clip right here, what this goes into, and then the wire plugs in right there. This is the wire, the disconnect for the rear tail light. Ran it up through there. This is it right here. And then this right here should be the plug where all this goes into. And this is another thing where it makes it plug and play. This right here, you separate that, and then you just plug this in on either end, so it continues that connection, and then it adds these two pigtails so you can plug into your lights. And like I said, simple plug and play, really easy. Alright, so you just basically lift up on this little part right here, and then easy day, slides apart. Now this slides right back in place of that. Same, as you can see, same style connector, had the same gasket and everything. So this plugs right into there, snaps into place, and then this snaps right in. And just like that. Now these are actually color coded as well, which is nice. So you got this connector over here is brown, and you got the brown and black over here, brown and black over here. So theoretically, just plugs right in. It's a good solid connection. And then same with this one right here. Hear the click. All right, just like that. Now let's turn the bike on, see what happens. You can see it, but it is lit up. Right now it's just like in regular mode. Here's turn signal, cancel, other side. There's hazards, and then everything's working. Well, it didn't take me long. I got the bike back together. As you see, everything's working. Looks really good. A lot of extra light now. Everything, like I said, snapped back together. Looks like nothing was there. Custom dynamics lights. They know what they're doing. Everything's like I just showed you guys, plug and play. Awesome set. They look good. And they do what the Indian factory lights don't do. The Indian factory lights, I think, are just running lights. These, they do running lights, turn signals and stuff. So definitely worth the money, especially how easy it was to hook up. If you found this helpful in any way, please like and subscribe and help me reach my goal of 1,500 subscribers. And stay tuned, because I got some other stuff coming up with this bike. Let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this. And yeah, see you in the next one.